What if I told you that your struggle to get 1,000 subscribers so fast could be over if you watch this video till the end? Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get 1,000 subscribers in just 24 hours using a simple but powerful AI tool that is free to get your long form videos into short viral clips. This tool is little known and most creators don't know it exists. So stick around if you really want to unlock your breakthrough. Now, if you are a new viewer in this channel, you are so welcome to this family. Here we give realistic YouTube growth tips and insights without any gimmicks or hypes. So you can subscribe to be part of it. And to the returning viewers, thank you so much for always showing love. Your support can never be ignored. Thank you so much for being part of this journey. So let's dive straight into it. Why is this even important? You see, sometimes YouTube is a real grind and so much struggle in reaching or attaining milestones. A lot of creators struggle so much to hit 1,000 subscribers mark. And this tool helps you to get 1,000 subscribers in just 24 hours if you use it the way I'm going to share with you in this video. You see, sometimes your long form videos can never be watched like you want them to be watched by your viewers. So this tool only picks some key moments that can potentially go viral from your long form video and turn them into viral clips. So stick around because if you watch this till the end, you will save a lot of time on editing and you will also build consistency because you will not have to do so much work to turn your long form videos into viral clips. And this tool also automatically gives captions in your videos. It's very accurate with an accuracy of 97%, and you can also edit the captions if you want. So if you want to work smarter and not harder, watch this video till the end because you will get so much value from it. So stick around because I'm going to give you a demonstration of how you can go and open this tool and how you can use it to turn your long form videos into short form viral clips. So let's go straight into it. Now, which tool am I talking about? I'm talking about Opus Clips. So let me show you a demonstration of how to use this tool. So let's go to our Google search and search for this tool. Tap on Google. So let's type Opus Clip. Opus Clip. Let's search it. So there it is. Tap on it. Opus Clip. So this is the interface of this tool. So we want to sign up for free. Now before we even sign up, make sure that your page is on a desktop mode. So there are certain features that normally don't load if you are using a phone. So you have to turn your page into a desktop mode so that these features can load. It means your page will be operating like a PC. So let's do that. Tap on these three dots at the top right corner there. So as you can see, my page is already on a desktop mode. The desktop side, this one, is already checked. So let's go back and sign up for free. Tap on that one. So you see the options of signing up. You can sign with your Google or with your Apple, or with your email. So let's continue with our Google. Let me tap on it. Let me tap on it. So this is my account, as you can see. So I can turn any long form video into a viral short form video. But before you even do this, make sure that the video you want to turn into a viral short form video is your own video. So let's do that. So as you can see, this is my account. So what you can do here, you can upload a video directly, or you can just copy the link of the video from your YouTube and paste it here. So let's do that. I'll just copy the link and paste it here. So my link is already copied on my clipboard there. So let's just paste it. It's still running. Okay. Now this is the video we want to get short form viral clips from. This is my long form video. So pay attention and see how we are gonna do that. So get clips in one click. Just tap on it there. Watch it load. You see, it's almost complete. So our project processing is complete. So here is our video that has been completely processed into short form viral clips. So let's tap on it and see the short form clips from it. So as you can see, we have a lot of short form clips from it. Let's scroll down. As you can see, you see. So these short form clips, all of them have the ranking, so you can pick strategically. As you can see, the one that has the highest potential of going viral is ranked first at 99 out of 100. This first video here. So if I pick this short form video and post in my YouTube shorts, it has a potential of going viral by 99%. So this is how this tool is so powerful. You see? So you can publish these clips directly into your social media pages, or you can download them, as you can see from there. So that's how this tool is so powerful. So start using this tool today and you will see yourself getting subscribers in just 24 hours with your short form viral clips. It's just that simple. Now, if you found this video helpful, you can like it and share it with other creators so that it helps YouTube push it further. And in the comment section, let me know what you think about this tool. And also let me know if you are going to use it from today. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel where we give realistic YouTube growth tips. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss an update. See you in my coming video.